What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today this is part 2 of playing an animal company. So now I gotta go try to find golden stingray. So can't wait to go mining. Just gotta find them first. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I found you, dude. I found you.
What's up, minigame VR?
So, let's go mining. Come on, let's go.
To the mine.
Make sure to click that like button and subscribe. So, these caves are very dark and scary. So let's. Ooh, I think I might have found us gold and research ore. See what I can get. Oh, that's a lot. Good thing I have this pickaxe. Oh wow. Oh, I got a research point. I wonder where golden stingray went. Ooh, no gold. Okay. Here. Let me go up the zip line. Ooh, more research ore. You always gotta look out for research ore. Or you can get research points and then get new gadgets and items. Oh, I think I heard something. Let's see. I hear him. Found you.
Hey, minigame VR. What are you doing down in Angler's Cave?
I don't know. I was just trying to find you. Oh gosh. No, it's the anglerfish. Run! Oh no. What's in here? Gold stingray? Here, good thing in animal company there's walkie-talkies. Gold stingray. I think I found another cave. Yeah. Oh, while we're waiting for him, guess we could check this out. Oh, there you are. Oh, you got a crate.
Hey, look who I killed.
Let's see what's in it. Let's see what's in it.
Yeah, from the angler.
Oh, that's a grenade.
Oh.
Oh, there it
Yeah,
goes.
that's
There it
gone.
goes.
It's going,
Well,
going, gone.
I guess we'll see what's in here. That's a mimic. Oh,
Correct.
oh boy.
Correct.
That's
He's
scary.
stuck.
Haha.
He's stuck.
Oh, spider.
Ow.
I took out spider.
Yay.
Here.
I'm
Now it's time to revive him.
Oh,
Alright.
sorry.
Bullets.
Let's see what we got in the box.
Uh-oh.
And I just.
Oh, I got him unstuck. I got him unstuck. Help. Help. I'm trying to take out this mimic. Oh, no. Okay, I took him. And I got an arrow. Oh, that's under the That is so cool. Oh, I have 3 research points. Yay! That is so good. That is actually amazing. So now, I gotta find gold stingray on the mini-map. Oh, wait. Oh, there he is. I took out Mimic.
Congrats.
So, I think this is going to be the end for part 2. Now, I promise I will make a part 3. I just completely forgot to make this part 2. So, I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably come out maybe Friday. Either Thursday or Friday, maybe Wednesday. Okay? I try to make these when I have time. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.